Hi dear friends, I am Asif Iqbal and today we will learn how to colorize here in Photoshop. So let's start. First we will open an image here and we will make copy of this photo. So Ctrl J so that we can save original photo. So in layer 1 we will work. So I am taking quick selection tool and I will select this area. And carefully you people select. Follow these steps. Actually we are selecting here roughly, and if you don't want to select any area you can press alt key, hold it and then press left mouse button like this. Okay, now I will click on refine edge and here you see different options. You can select any, so I select here this one and now I will start painting this area so that I can select this area also. Okay, now click on image, adjustments, saturation, click on colorize and Control D. So friends, with this method you can colorize here. So if you have any question you can ask me in comments. So if you like this video, kindly click on like button and subscribe this channel so that you can watch coming videos. Thanks for watching.